In today's airborne battlefield arena, with its sophisticated searching, tracking, and missile guidance systems, challenging and overcoming advanced ECCM technologies can mean the difference between mission success and failure. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems Sky Shield, Light Shield, and X-Guard aircraft protection solutions effectively address that challenge. Sky Shield, EW support jamming system. Mounted on one craft, the Sky Shield system supports the attack by deceiving and disrupting hostile radar signals, ensuring the squadron remains undetected during the mission. Light Shield, EW close protection and escort jamming. Based on Rafael's advanced Lightning Pod, the Light Shield system is a self-defense and close support EW layer which detects and disrupts hostile radar signals. In the event of missile attack, an additional layer of defense is provided by Rafael's X-Guard, an advanced off-board and anti-missile active decoy. After deployment, X-Guard acts as an off-board jammer. Triggered by the Light Shield system, it commences signaling, luring the missile away from its designated course. Combining Light Shield self-protection and X-Guard decoy provides the ultimate solution against modern threats, setting new standards in airborne ECM. Increased mission effectiveness and survivability. Efficient close and escort jamming support. Ultimate and generic solution. Highly effective countermeasure in the EW endgame phase. Modern digital receivers, sophisticated DRFM technique generator, solid-state array technology. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems Sky Shield, Light Shield, and X-Guard EW suite keeps you safe in the cockpit throughout the entire mission.